Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick recipe how to make no glue dish soap slime. So I haven't done a dish soap slime video in a really long time. I'm going to say a couple months now, and I've actually been updating this recipe a lot, and it's actually super easy to make now. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is dish soap, and I'm just using Dawn because Dawn works the best for me. You guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowl or plate and move this out of the way because it's taking up so much space. Also, the filming location is really different right now because I'm filming it in my room, actually on my desk. So that's why it looks really different. And I'm going to get adding in the dish soap. And I'm just going to add about that much. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get mixing it together. And you're just going to want to mix it a lot until it starts bubbling up just like this right now. So I'm actually going to mix for a while, and ooh, it's actually spilling everywhere because I'm a very messy person and I wasn't thinking when I was mixing. But you're just going to want to mix it up a lot, and I'm going to do that now. Okay, so that is enough mixing, and my hand actually started hurting from that because I mixed it so much. Now you can see it's actually a lighter blue color, and it's kind of foggy, and I can actually tell it's already getting thick. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to put this into the freezer for about 1 hour to 2 hours, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out and mix it up a lot. This is a very, very important step because this is basically to show that it's like getting thicker and it's actually forming into slime. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so I made this setup a little bit more cleaner, and I actually just took it out of the freezer, and here it is now, and it turned out really awesome. It's super thick. I actually was playing with it for a little bit, I'll tell you guys that, because it was really sticky and stuff, and it wasn't really like slime yet, so I had to like mold it and stuff, because it was like, I don't know how to explain it, like it was just goo, but then I just like molded it and stuff, and now it's better, and you can see it turned out really awesome. And this is how you make dish soap slime. I feel like if I did add salt, it would be kind of a little bit runny, and it wouldn't really be like a slime. But this one turned out awesome, as you can see. And it also smells just like the dish soap, and I love the smell of dish soap for some reason. But this recipe turned out amazing, and I really hope you guys try this out. This video is really quick because I'm trying to upload videos more often on my channel. I'm trying to do it like 2 times a week to even 3 times a week for you guys, because you guys have been saying you've been loving my recent videos. So please put in the comments some video ideas for me so I can start making more videos for you guys. This was actually a video idea from a couple of you guys. I was going to give shout outs, but a bunch of you guys was like, make dish soap slime, and this is how it turned out. It's not really sticky at all because I was playing with it, as I said before, but it turned out amazing, and this recipe is a huge win-win on my part, and all the ingredients you needed was dish soap and just mix it around. So remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!